Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome and welcome back to Mercy Beauty of Styles channel. My name is Mercy. Today's video is a dining room tour on how I changed my dining room in black, silver, and gray. Look at this placement. It's so glittery, so glam, and I like it so much. I'm gonna leave the link of everything that I use in the description box down below where I purchased them. This napkin rings is a DIY. I add the flowers on it, and I didn't want to use any table warmer, and I used petals. I really like this piece. It's a silver lion that's meditating. I get it from Ross. And the vase behind it, I get it from Home Goods. This plate, I get them from Home Goods as well. They are silver. They're so gorgeous and so inexpensive because I get 4 of them for $7.99. The large one, 4 for $12.99. Look at the silver. They're so vibrant and so beautiful. In this plate, I got it from Dollar Tree, the black plate, and those one, I love them so much. They're so loudly beautiful. And when you turn it, you can see the AB shine color on it in the back. Very nice. I like to go louder at the end table. I really like to show the night part when I use candle because I really like to eat in the candle light. So look at it, guys. It's so gorgeous and romantic and stuff. So guys, you don't need a lot of money to do that, like I always say. So you can have your place super nice, super pretty, and have the vibe of everyday luxury for less. Look at this placement. It's so pretty, guys. The video doesn't do this thing justice. It's so vibrant and shine. And look at the bling under the table, like under the glass on my table. I fall in love with that table every day. Look at it. I fall in love with that table every day. So if you're new to this channel, I'm the one who make that table. So I'm gonna leave the link for you in the link in the description up there and down below. And those piece of decor, I get them from Burlington, and I always like to put something that remind me something very nice. Okay guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit me with some thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Keep on watching. Thank you so much, guys, for taking your time watching my video. And I truly appreciate your love and your support. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much. And I'll see you on my next one. Bye.